morning everyone, I am Bhagath Freedom Mitra of India. I was born on 1907 in Punjab. My birthday is on 28th September. I belong to Singh family. My father name is Krishna Singh and mother name is Vidyavati. My family members are active participants in the Indian independence movement and follow the Gandhiji. I believe that freedom can only be achieved through armed revolution. Jallianwala Bagh had left a gate in patch on my life. They may kill me, but they cannot kill my idea. They can crush my spirit, but will not they have lines to crush my spirit. Freedom is the I can happily sacrificially on my life. Freedom is the object of my life. Party is I mean Iklaba Sittabad.